Hello Winston and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that you can use to actually improve or increase the traffic to your website to attract more customers and grow your company. All I'm asking in return is for your feedback. Please let me know if you find this information useful. So I'm going to be covering content, the Google Business Profile, and backlinks. So let's start with your content. Anything that you have in your front page and in your website is considered content, text, images, and videos. So I can see that you have links to your different back pages. You have the contact us button over here. You have very nice pictures and the reasons why people should choose to work with you. You have the badges and you have the links to the different collections and lines that you have in terms of cabinets. You have very nice pictures down here. So general terms is easy to navigate, but it could be improved and make it more easier for anyone using a mobile phone to reach out to you. So for example, you could have a click to call button over here. You could have the contact us form here, and you could add a little bit more description of the services that you provide. In terms of the amount of content, right now you have 347 words. And the amount of content is relevant because through content is that you're able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords, which is basically what people search for when they want to acquire your services. If I have a look at two of your competitors, so we have Mebel Cabinets. These guys have the click to call button, the contact us form, and they have 1,786 words. And these guys, JVR, they have 237 words. So not too many words, but they have a little, yeah, they have a little, actually they have less than you guys do. But the reason why you actually want to have more words, actually the sweet spot for Google is to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words because that's where you will be optimized for Google, because Google likes to see content. So if you have more content, you will be outranking your competitors, not only in the amount, but also in the quality of those keywords. So I came here to Google search and I type in cabinet maker for Lauderdale, for example. And Google is always going to show me three sections. The first one is the Google Ads. I cannot see any here, but Google Ads are really good at driving traffic. They can be very expensive if they're not done correctly, though. Now, the second section is the Google My Business Profile. This section is driving 30 to 40% of the traffic, and to rank at the top, you need optimized and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you need to be listed on directories. And the details on those directories, such as name, address, and phone number, need to match those of your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details and you can grab one of these top 3 positions. Now, the third section is what we call the Google Organic Search, and here is where I found the two competitors. I skipped these ones because these ones are directories. But here is where I found two of your competitors, and to rank at the top, you need something that we call backlinks. So I use a tool called Ahrefs, and in this tool, I am looking at your website, and I can see that you have 89 backlinks in 12 referring domains. That is 12 external websites that are directing traffic towards your website. If I have a look at these guys, Mebel Cabinets, they have 114 backlinks in 41 referring domains, and JVR, they have 54 backlinks in 40 external websites. And you have to look at this like a popularity contest, where the website with the most links is the one that is going to be start ranking at the top. And you not only want to have more backlinks, but you also want to have relevant backlinks, which are those that are sitting on websites that are relevant to the services that you provide, because then Google is going to start regarding your website as an authority, and it's going to start showing you as a result for the relevant searches that users perform. Now, the most interesting part is the organic keywords. So your website is being found for 11 organic keywords, and in this view, I can see what those keywords are. The volume tells me how many times per month this keyword is searched for per month, and the position is in which position your website is appearing for this particular keyword. So anything beyond the 10th position means that you're already on the second or the third page of Google. And if that's the case, your website is not capable of driving too much traffic. So you can see here that you are ranking in the, not the top positions. And the only buyer intent keyword that I can see is this one, Woodwork in South Florida, FL. Now, if I look at your competitors, so Mebel Cabinets, these guys are being found for 111 organic keywords. And I highlighted some of those keywords. So they have They are being found for Cabinet Maker for Lauderdale, and they're in the 4th position. Cabinet Makers for Lauderdale, they just changed the S, the 4th position. Custom Cabinets for Lauderdale, 3rd position. Custom Cabinets for Lauderdale, 4th position. So in the end, what you want is that you want to identify what are the relevant keywords for the different services that you provide so that you can add up that volume, because that's the number of times your keyword, your website is going to be in front of potential customers. And then a percentage of those potential customers is going to click on the link that is going to take them to your website. Another percentage is going to reach out to you. And then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to land and convert more customers. So I hope you like that. I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to boost the traffic to your website. Don't forget to give me your feedback. My contact details are at the bottom of the email. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.